guys, today, right now I have my cat sleeping here. Um, basically it's a kitten. This magic ball. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but it's gonna be a fast video. I mean, of course it's gonna be a fast video. I don't know if it will be, but I don't know what to do. Maybe 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 um it was I see my dad. That was my phone. Guys, do you dare me to wake up my kitten? 3, 2, 1. You guys said yes. Hey, hey, time to wake up. The audience are here. No, time to wake up, baby. The audience are here. Oh, okay. Go back to sleep. Well, that plan barely worked, guys. I don't know if Thunder's awake. I think he's asleep. Yeah, I think he's asleep. My dad told. So one of the YMCA girls told me I should totally get a baby kitten, because baby kittens can sleep at night, but not all the time. And they can play with you in the morning, and they said that hamsters sleep well in the morning. So, yes, that's why I think Thunder's asleep. Let's just watch him for a little while. Goody, it's okay. Can't you at least say hi to the audience? I guess not. Wait. Say hi. Say hi, don't worry. The camera's not on. Okay. You go back to sleep if you want. Are you rolling up there? Yeah, he just rolled off the pillow. I need to put him back on the pillow. Stay on the pillow. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Um, hum. Yeah, kid seriously know what to do. I just woke up too, so why am I doing a video right in the morning? Get away, stupid bangs. Yeah, this is so long. Like, literally, this is how long my bangs are. They're long. So, I'm gonna end the video with my kitten. So, hey, why don't you wake up? Wake up, kitty.